Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 10th, 2019, and I wanted to give an update on my eucalyptus tree that's growing in my greenhouse here. And this is my first year growing eucalyptus plants in my greenhouse. And my greenhouse is heated and it is double layered. So I'm going to be attempting to grow these out here all winter long. And I'm going to put up artificial lighting to make up for the shorter days. Now, I noticed on my eucalyptus tree that some of the branches were dying. So what I did is I cut them back to fresh growth. And I noticed today on this one here that it's starting to put out new leaves and new branches, which is what I want it to do. And down here there's a little speck of new growth on the stem there. Now I did just feed this one. I fed it with the Epsoma Plant Town, and I didn't give it too much, I just gave it a little bit. And I am going to be cleaning these leaves out of there. I have a container that I put them in, and then I take the stuff outside and get rid of it. But I'm not exactly sure why the branches were dying on it. It was the lower branches. And I have seen eucalyptus trees already in containers where all the lower leaves were taken off of them, or I'm not sure if they died off or what exactly happened with them, but it was just the tree trunk and then all the new growth was up top. So I'm not sure if that's what this one here is doing or not. I've grew them before in the basement and under my lights, and sometimes if they were planted in a clay container, they would not last the winter time. They would just die. Now the ones in the plastic containers, they survive the winter under the lights. So not exactly sure why some of the branches did what they did. You know, did it need a little bit more food? I'm not 100% sure. So I just went ahead and I fed it. I know these can be prone to some fungal infections, like for the stems and the leaves. But I'm just going to keep watching it here and seeing what it does. It has a really nice root system on it. It should honestly be transplanted. And that could be another thing too. It needs transplanted. But being that we're going to be going into the shorter days, I'm not sure if I'm going to transplant it into a larger container yet. Or if I'm going to wait maybe until spring. I haven't decided yet. I've been trying to figure it out, and I just kind of haven't decided what I want to do with it yet. But here's some of my younger eucalyptus trees here, and I can say they grow a whole lot faster in the greenhouse than what they did even growing under the lights indoors. The greenhouse is a controlled environment. It's a lot warmer in here than what it ever was in the basement, and they're getting the full sun and a lot more light, so they're growing a whole lot faster in here. So I might experiment with one of these and try transplanting it and just seeing how it does. And if it does well, then I'll probably transplant the big one over there. But I do have other little eucalyptus tree seedlings in here. They're actually larger than the ones that I just showed you. And I can't get to them right now to show you because everything's kind of growing in front of them. But I just wanted to give you this quick update on my eucalyptus tree and how it's doing. Now I am still keeping the soil moist. I do let it go drier, and then I give it water when I see that it needs watered. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!